Shiver me cheddars! Land rats, all hands on deck! Hey!
Wow, where are you going?
To take the ships and hunt treasures, the sea is a-calling! But the crew won't listen to me!
Oh, I see. I'm going to make a cool beach house. Come visit me when you're back.
Shiver me cheddars, you craft! Sue, wait for me!
Hi, everyone. Today we'll make a 2-story house with a pool. We'll start with the lighting. This beautiful lamp, to be more precise.
Hi, guys. I've been thinking. Pirates need a rest from the sea, too.
No doubt. You can't keep sailing and frightening people.
What do pirates do on land?
Well, I don't know, but you can help me with the craft. There will be many little details, like in our other houses. Can you take care of them?
Pirate decorator! I love my new role!
In the meantime, I'll prepare the furniture for the future house. Everything will be in a marine style. Hop! Usually light colors and natural materials are chosen for it. I need 2 pieces like this. Voila!
Sue, I just remembered the cardboard piano we made! I decided to dedicate my life to rock and roll back then. That was cool.
I also remember how fast you changed your mind. This mini piano is awesome! Night, sea, and music.
I have a compulsive personality. Check out the flower bed I put inside.
Yeah, very creative, but let's continue. There's no mini house without a library.
Sue, who reads books in a beach house?
Well, I do. I like to read while sunbathing.
Holy cannoli, Sue, it'll take forever! Let me do magic.
Wow, super speed. Thanks, Sammy. Will you help me with the other decor?
Sure, since I've still got so much furniture to make.
Right. I'm going to make a rocking chair. I like retro things in the interior. This rocking chair is one of those. It looks like it's hand-painted.
But, Sue, you don't like hand-painted furniture, do you?
Are you talking about that shelf you painted without my permission?
But that was genius! A blue base and bright accents! Actually, I decided to find a place for books in the house and added some decor.
I see you're inspired by the marine theme.
Yeah, recreation theme mostly. That's why I made something soft.
Great, keep it up. I need lots of details for the coffee table.
I know. I'm on it.
Right, he knows. Here, the table's ready. Sammy, how's it going with the decor?
All done, but there's a lot. I advise you to use magic.
Okay. Whoosh! Cool! What's next in our plan?
All the soft and cozy things, Captain Sue.
As Sam said, we're making soft furniture.
Sue, I was reading about pirates.
Yeah? Find something interesting?
I learned that pirates made lots of geographical discoveries.
Yeah, that's right. The most famous pirate explorer was an Englishman, Francis Drake.
Fun fact, he was officially allowed to plunder ships of other countries.
Yes, Sammy, but now piracy's illegal.
I know. I wasn't going to cause mischief. I just wanted to capture some sweets for my stomach.
Oh, yes. Don't forget to close the Nutella jar when you finish.
I'll be the new jar explorer. It's exciting.
I bet Sam's gonna board the Nutella. By the way, I started making the kitchen furniture. First comes the table. Voila! Then the chairs. 1 and 2. And finally, this cupboard for little pretty stuff. I'm always a bit more hungry when on vacation. So all the food stuff should be in order in our coastal house. We can cook using this kitchen counter. My favorite seafood is shrimp and mussels. Ooh, I also love seaweed, and Sam's afraid of it for some reason.
Because it looks like venom and smells like iodine from the med kit. Of course, they'll say that seaweed's very nutritious, but, you know what's better?
What? Tell me.
Me helping you with the craft, of course.
Oh, I like your enthusiasm. Take these pieces and start assembling.
Oopsie! I didn't expect you to have so much work for me. Ugh.
Our house will have 2 floors. We'll place the bedroom on the first floor. I'm making this bed for it. Hop. Perfect. Let's arrange the pillows. Put a soft blanket, just like on a real bed. talking about bedrooms, it seems like Sam fell asleep assembling the pieces.
Oh, wait. Shoo! Tinkerbell! No! Peter Pan wants to fly away! So the shadow to him, Sue! Captain Hook is here! Oh, Hook! Sue, ready now, guys!
Hi, Sammy, it's me. I came to check on you and you're sleeping. Come, I'll show you what I made while you were sleeping. Time to put it all together.
Sue, it's a whole museum of beautiful furniture and neat decorations.
Yes, we have everything here. A soft, cozy bed. A dressing table with a mirror and cosmetics. Lots of flowers. Furniture for the bathroom. And even this for creativity, an easel with paints.
Wow, I'd like to live in this house and give up my pirate dream.
Great, then you can calmly finish your work. In the meantime, I'll set the walls. First, let's build the foundation. Our floor will be a bit above the ground level. Now let's decorate it with stones. Here comes the most interesting part.
A pool? Hooray! One question. Why do we need a pool in this coastal house?
Oh, that's a good one. What if it's so hot that you want to take a dip without leaving your house? You have a pool right there.
Also, you can spill your drink dancing on the waves.
By the way, there will be no windows in the house, only beautiful wooden lattice. Look, the wallpapers are also in marine theme. Anchors, light shades of sea and sand. I can't wait to finish building this house.
Be very careful with the wallpapers. You don't want them to come off. It's highly possible in maritime climates.
How do you know all these details about humid climates?
Actually, I'm a great traveler, also a pirate. I know everything about sea breeze and the burning sun.
Tell me, oh great seafarer, what seas have you sailed?
I remember our expedition to Tibidabo.
The one where you discovered the land with sweets growing on trees?
No, you messed it up. That was the one where we saw the huge whale swimming next to our ship.
Oh,
they were so big that I was a bit scared. Just a little. Even if true to say, I was terrified. But the people of Tibidabo told me that whales are very friendly.
I'd definitely be scared, Sammy. Now let's go arrange the furniture and the decor. Guys, while setting the kitchen, I want to tell you an interesting story. Did you know that there were no tables in ancient Greece? Instead, there were long benches where the Greeks would put their dishes. But more importantly, people were not sitting but lying on the floor during their meal.
Eating while lying? Huh, I never tried that.
Yeah, I don't think you or our viewers should. You could choke on something. Though we're a bit like the Greeks when we eat pizza watching a movie on the sofa.
I call it lazy watching. I brought some marine-themed decor, a life buoy clock and flowers.
And I have more furniture, creating coziness right before your eyes. One can rest in this living room after long walks along the coast.
Or after a cool shopping session.
I think there's new swimsuits or stylish sunglasses in these bags.
Actually, they're design accessories made of shells and pearls.
Fine. As you say, Sammy. Here's the base for the second floor. There are 3 lamps in it, one for each room. All of them have wires. Let there be light.
You almost forgot the piano and the plants. They should be right near the pool. Give a thumbs up so that Sue doesn't forget things.
I guess I forgot about the plants because you remember about them, Sammy. I trust your taste when it comes to decor. Look, Sam, I didn't forget about this hanging basket, just as you taught me.
You're learning fast, cabin girl. Keep it up and you'll become a captain.
Wait, Sammy, you said I was the captain. Now I'm a cabin girl again?
Well, I remembered I am the captain. Captain Sam Sparrow. I have an offer for you. Close your eyes and I'll finish the second floor.
Interesting. Let's try.
No peeking. I'm a bit shy.
All right.
Why, a house for a great pirate Sam and a crafty so shiver me tutters, you're peeking.
Sorry, I was just curious. Not watching anymore.
Okay, actually, now you can.
Oh, Sammy, you did a great job. suggest hiding the bedroom and the bathroom under the roof.
I agree. It's way cozier than an open-air bathroom. Interesting.
Sammy, I hope you're joking. I don't think you'd like someone spying you taking a bath.
I agree. It always bothers me when Fluffy visits me in the bathroom. He's got those piercing and surprised eyes.
Yes, Fluffy is very curious, just like any other cat. Luckily, he doesn't bother us during crafting. There's so many little pieces. Well, looks like someone's decided to settle on the coast near this cozy house.
Yep, I got my place is here on the coast away from battles and shipwrecks.
Yeah, I'm gonna sunbathe too. The weather's awesome. Bye, guys!
Bye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thunderation.